I'm gonna use Velcro rollers for the first time. Oh my God, this is intimidating. Okay. We're just gonna fake it till we make it, and hopefully we'll get some volume out of it. I don't have enough hair for the big ones, and the little ones are not gonna give me the volume that I want, so we're gonna go with the medium size. And if it pulls my hair out, I will cry. But your girl is desperate. I honestly don't even know how to wrap it. I already have regrets. Feel like it's gonna pull my hair out. It's not taking much time. I only have like 6 hairs to roll in here. So it's super convenient if they come out right and give me some volume, you know what I'm saying? Oh dang it, there's a piece left over. We're just gonna, you know what? We're just gonna go with it and throw another roller in there. Done. I'll be back in 30 minutes. Let's see if this gives me some volume. It's time. Say a prayer. I don't rip out all my hair. Okay. It did give me a lot of volume. A half hour for volume without using heat on it. I'm going to be using rollers more often.